We're going to unbox, sir.
Wow.
Yay.
What's that?
I
Where did you
think
get that?
it's a gift from a very handsome man from Japan.
Wow!
When it comes to that kind of case, I can just pop up one man. Yes. Okay.
Do you know him, sir?
I don't think so.
Humble.
Okay. So, let's get open it. Open it. Open it.
Oh,
Open it.
yay! とても興奮しています, sir.
Wow, very nice Japanese name. Yes. You're very excited. Yes. Okay, so
Let's open.
Wow.
who chose you that yes, the pink, yes, the package is also really great. Yes, I think he knows, yes, about your personality.
And it's my favorite color, sir.
Yes. So, yes, maybe he's pretty good at yes, choosing this suitable, yes, gift.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for that handsome man, sir.
Yes, I'll let him know. I'll definitely let him know.
Yes, sir. So the first snack, actually, this is my favorite, sir.
Which one?
Where is it? I've lost it. Okay, this one.
I thought you ate it already.
Ah!
Wow! Nice!
これは何ですか? Gumi. Wow. And what kind of flavor is that?
なんだっけ? Peach?
Ah, peach ですか?
Yes.
Peach? Is it?
I
Yeah.
think Tokyo 2020.
Yes, sir.
Ah, even though it's actually postponed, right?
Yeah.
Very
Sad.
unfortunately, yes. All right.
Yeah, thank you for this, sir.
That's
I
for
will-
your kids, right? Yes,
get-
you have lovely, very cute, adorable ears. Yes.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah. Teacher.
Okay. Okay, I think it's just the filming. Yes.
What else is in there, teacher?
Next is the two boxes. I have the matcha. What is this, sir? This one.
Looks really good. I think they call it cookie also, right?
Cookies.
Cookie, ne?
Cookie?
Yes,
Matcha.
that's cookie. Yes, that's cookie. Matcha chocolate cookie.
Wow. Alright. Matcha chocolate cookie. Oh, I'm excited to try this one.
Yeah.
I love matcha.
All of this
Yes.
is making me hungry.
God, I will give it to you.
I share my
Next
popcorn
one
with
is pretzels. Pretzels.
Brett.
What is that?
Philippines. I thought it's pretzels.
What is
It's
that?
bread.
Brett.
What is
Hi.
that?
And it's crispy pizza flavor.
Wow.
Yum.
Pizza.
I know a lot of Filipino, yes, I love eating pizzas, right? Yes.
Yes,
Aside
sir.
from- Yes.
Should I eat it?
Sure,
Yes, why
let's
not?
try it. Go.
Taste test.
All right, you wanna taste my
Maybe.
Oh,
popcorn?
it's nice.
Yes.
Should I
that's
try?
Go.
If you
Teacher,
just
can you tell
open and just to talk about snacks, that's too boring. So maybe yes, why don't you just taste? Yes.
Wow.
It has two facts.
One is for your mom. Yes, the other one is for yourself. Hey, mom. How you doing?
My mom is not here yet, sir.
Really? Okay, please tell my best regards to her. Right?
Yeah. Yes, sir, I will. Ooh.
Wow! I can even sniff the pizza.
Oh.
Wow, looks like chopsticks.
Bamboo chopsticks.
Ah.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Savory.
It tastes like pizza.
Oh, there. Pizza flavor.
What is this, sir?
Oh, I think yes, some of you guys can guess the read the Japanese characters, right?
Teacher Mina can.
Like there's 3 flavors. My mouth is full. My mouth is full. Wait, I'm thirsty. I cannot talk. My mouth is full.
The first is 3 letters. Yes, it's saying yes, lingo, right? I think you guys heard about it, lingo, right?
Oh, Ringo, yes sir. Apple.
Apple.
Ah.
Okay.
3 kinds of ringo. Next one. Oh, wow.
Yes. So
Nori.
you can make tamaki.
Nori. Yes. It's so timely, sir, because maybe on Sunday we're going to have a sushi bake for my birthday.
Really?
So
That's amazing.
it's very
All
timely.
right, all right.
Oh, this one, sir. What's this?
Kurikake.
Ah, korikake.
That's sprinkles, right? Yes. Because the Filipino people also love eating white rice, like Japanese people. So yes, definitely this is very practical things. Yes.
Saba?
That's a noodle snacks. Yes.
Ah, okay.
It's very crunchy. Yes, and also it tastes like yakisoba.
Yes, sir. I like that the best.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Another snack.
Yes.
And what does it say?
It says barbecue. Yes. So maybe yes. Each package has maybe different flavors. Yes.
Hi, Chu.
Hi, Chu, man.
Teacher Mina, have you tried?
Yes.
Yes.
One.
Minasan is still craving. Yes.
Next is this one.
Very interesting.
Hi. That's a juicy. Yes, it's a juicy, right? With katakana and yes, alphabet letter C. Yes.
C.
Juicy means a juicy, right? Yes.
It's like mental candy in the Philippines.
Exactly. Well, a little bit different. Yes.
So, shinsetsu arigato ne.
はい、こちらこそありがとうございます。ご覧なまんぽ。
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
Please make sure you subscribe.
And simply hit the like button.
And
Don't forget to click that bell button so that you're going to be notified every time a new video is posted.
And don't forget to leave us a comment down below.
See
Bye.
you in the next video.
Next video.
Bye.
Kikisaya.
Saya.